Home inspectors are now telling us to use black grates in northern climates because the sunlight, even when the temperatures are below freezing, the radiant energy with the black grate can actually melt the ice if there's any ice buildup on the grate. So we offer the black to our homeowners now, and a lot of people still want the green just for appearance, but I'll show you. Now, I got subscribers saying, are you pinning them? What are you doing? No, we lay the grass back down. This yard was just a swamp, guys. I mean, this grass will rebound. It looks rough, but it'll be fine. Sodded. Grass is very resilient. So you can see like the size, and you can see it looks smaller. Well, we just lay the grass, and the grass holds it in place, guys. It's quick, it's easy. Contractors, this is great. It's not time consuming. Homeowners, it's not, ridiculously costly. I know that's an issue. So, here's another one. Check it out. So that's all you do. That's all you do is just lay. So it's not as, you don't have as much inlet, but it ain't going nowhere. You don't have to pin it down, because trust me, here in the north, the frost is going to pop. It's going to pop most things that you use to pin that down. So nothing works better than the turf grass, and that's just 30 years of doing yard maintenance and yard drains, guys. All right, well, and to the next video.